Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome. As always, wonderful to see everybody. We could start off our discussion this evening with a beautiful mazel tov to Ruvain Shannon on the birth of a granddaughter. Should be zeicher legadlo leben Torah lechuppah lemaisim tovim, and Mirz Hashem should be gesund to dance by the chasana. Just take down the people that want to make a kiddush for you, and they'll let you know. That's the minig over here. If you call out kiddush, that means you want to make a kiddush. I have a way of dealing with people. So if a guy corrects the Bal Kaira, no. So I tell him, okay, you're laning next week. That's the last time he corrects the Bal Kaira. Also, we want to have in mind Zev ben Rachel Etel. I have no information yet of how it went, but I will be speaking to him before Shabbos, and I'll let the Olam know. He should have a refuah shleima b'sech shachel Yisrael. So we are holding. We're holding by the last Mishna in the fourth parak, Mishna Zion, and then the first Mishna in the fifth parak. So, I should say, it's Le'iloi Nishmas Elchanan Bunim ben Naftali Benish Eli Melech ben Eliezer Lefu Shalei Mefrel Yomis Shemachai Sarah Schus of Avram ben Yom Benish ben Malki Yehudas by the Fisher family Le'iloi Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shlom ben Avram Alevi Perel Bas Ruvain by Yol Klugman and family Lefu Shalei Mefrel ben Chai Sarah for my mother Esther Fadel Bas Chana. They should have a Refu Shalei B'Sech Shechel Yisrael. Also, I should say thank you to Chaim Rosen and especially to his wife for the beautiful Pesach Dika tablecloths. Thank you very much. And you put it on also? Well, thank you for doing that. It's not an easy job. So really thank you for everything. Okay, so there's another halacha in Moshe Sinai that if Lo Yaleinu, father dies, sometimes a son could use the money for his karbanis, if it was unspecified money left in a purse, he could say that he'll be a Nazir and use that money for his karbanis. But it's only in a certain case, and it's only a son, not a daughter, even though she's the Irish. So these are all halacha Moshe Sinai's. So ish megaleach al naziras aviv. Sometimes a son could bring his karbanis from money put aside for his father's carbon, but his father died. Le'aleinu. Ve'ena isha megalachas al naziras aviyah. But a daughter can never use her father's karbanis money for her karbanis. Ketzad. Now, first, we're going to show you a case where the son cannot use it. Misha Yaviv Nazir, if the father was a Nazir, v'hifrish mois al nizirusai, and he separated unspecified money for his karbanas, v'meis, and he died. Now, once he died, then there's halacha Moshe Sinai that unspecified money goes for Oilas Nedava L'Kayetz HaMizbeach. It goes for communal burnt offerings when business is slow, so it's too late. And therefore, if afterwards the son says, well, I got a windfall of money for Karbanas, Hareini Nazir al Menashe Galeach al Maz Abba, I'll be a Nazir on the condition that I can use my father's designated money. Amar Rabbi Yossi, no. Harielu Yiplu Nedava. That money was already chapped by the shofar for Nedava, for communal karbanas. Ein zeh megaleach al naziras aviv. That's not the case. Eizo shemegaleach al naziras aviv. Oh, that's where he and his father, they finished the Masechta, and the two of them together pledged to be a Nazir. Misha Yehuva Aviv Nazirim, V'hifrish Aviv Ma'is Stumim Nazirusai, and his father left unspecified money for his Nazirus Mace, so there already, the son was already a Nazir. So therefore it goes immediately to his Nazirus and it doesn't get chapped up for Nadava. This is a case where he could use his father's unspecified money for his own karbanos. Now, Beis Shammai Omrim, as we start the first Mishnah in the fifth parak, Beis Shammai Omrim hektish tois hektish. If he made hektish a mistake, it was a mistake, it's still hektish. Beis Shammai learns that we learn out from the din of tmura, an exchange, where if it's an exchange, it's even betos, it's a good exchange. So also initial hektish, the Mishnah at the end is going to give an example where he says the first animal that comes out of my house, the black one, should be hektish. Even if a white one comes out first, it's hektish, even though he didn't mean to be makdish a white one, but that's hektish betos hektish. Let's see, Beis Shammai hektish tois hektish, Beis Hillel ain't a hektish. Ketzad, what's an example? Amar shor shocher sheyetze mi beis rishon harihu hektish. The first one that comes out from my house, the black one should be hektish. V'yatza lovin, and a white one comes out. Beis Shammai hektish. Or Beis Hillel says ain't hektish. The Taisus Yom Tov says, at first glance, you would say, well, that's not a mistake. He said the black one that comes out first, so you wait until the black one comes out. But he says no. He says this person wanted the first one to come out, and he just thought it was going to be a black one. So even though he made a mistake, and it's the white one, according to Beis Shammai, the white one becomes hektish. According to Beis Hillel, it doesn't become hektish. I recorded now because tonight we are going to have a double daf. We're going to learn the whole sugya of Tagrei Lud tonight, and that will be at 8:15, two blat tonight. And again, reminder, please tell your wives that Tillim starts in the shul at 5. 5:45 is the Shabbos HaGadol Drasha for women and girls. At 7 is Mincha. 7:25 is the Shabbos HaGadol Drasha for men and boys. And remember to eat it early Shalosh Shudas. There's no Shalosh Shudas in shul. Monday morning, Shachris 7:30, followed by a Siyum by Chaim Rosen, Siyum for Tanis B'chayrim, with refreshments. Chaim managed to get Mezainis Kosher LePesach, which is, which, huh?
You have to be a kid to appreciate it.
Okay, all right, listen. Listen. Thank you all for joining us. From Chanani ben Akasha, Amaratza Kadosh Baruch Hu, L'Zaka Yisrael.